Get ready to supercharge your savings because the 4th of July deals are still sizzling in 2025. While the fireworks may have faded, these incredible discounts definitely haven't, offering you a final chance to snag some of the best tech deals of the year. You won't believe the massive price drops on everything from smart home gadgets to cutting-edge TVs and powerful laptops. This is your last hurrah to save big before prices jump back up, so make sure to check the description below for direct links to grab these must-have tech items before they're gone. Number 1. The Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 Robot Vacuum is an absolute game-changer, now shockingly 35% off, letting AI handle your cleaning with incredible suction power. Number 2. Dive into stunning visuals with the Hisense 65-inch QD7 4K Fire TV, boasting QLED display and Dolby Atmos for an immersive home theater experience at an unbeatable price. Number 3. Capture every adventure with the rugged GoPro Hero 13 Black accessory bundle, delivering sharp 5.3K video and waterproof durability, now with an epic discount. Number 4. Don't miss out on the Apple Watch Series 11, Apple's latest and greatest smartwatch, available at its best ever price, perfect for fitness and fashion. Number 5. And for productivity on the go, the Dell 14 Plus laptop, featuring a 2.5K display and powerful Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, comes with an unbelievable $570 saving. These 4th of July deals are truly spectacular, offering smart shoppers a final window to upgrade their gear without breaking the bank. Head to the description now to discover all these amazing discounts and more before this limited time offer vanishes forever.